Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's up, man? Thank you.
What's up?
How you doing? What's your name, man? And what all's in here for a video?
Jay Shipes, 6 ZVX 15s. I gotta make the port a little smaller because I had DDXs in before I upgraded the sub and amp. I still gotta shrink the port just a little bit.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah, 3 years ago, man. I'm ready to redo it, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
You ready?
Well, how are you wiring on your amps?
Okay, I had 2 cabs, man, running at half ohm on the last ones, but now I'm running just 1.1 with all this run together, parallel strap parallel, and it's 1.1 at the Terrex base 15K.
Got it.
So I'm not getting full power out of it, but
yes, sir.
I'm already popping fuses, man.
Okay.
I mean, 3 times.
I'm gonna go look at the back. Yes, sir.
I still got to get the gas, man.
Yeah.
By the 11, you know?
Yeah. It pulls a lot of power. Hey, thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you, man. You have a good day.
What was everybody when I was just hurt? Where?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.